Hi, my name is B. Manan Kumar Reddy. My register number is UR156256. Today I am going to explain about my web technology lab program of exercise 1, that is working with HTML5 tags, creating a document that forms a two HTML5 standards and has the following elements of doc type on HTML total are everything title, body, head and division tags and paragraph tags and headings and images everything. Our site should have very simple and it consists of page heading and three sections. Each section should have a subheadings and text. In section 1, you should have the text and all types of hyperlinks, that is internal link, external link, bookmark, Gmail link, phone link, and clickable image. In section 2, you should have the text and definition list and order list and unordered list. In section 3, you should have the table format to display the information in rows and columns. Um, We should not use VR statement or any CSS class. Publish our website in the web host. My web page should be like this. I have to design like this. Now we are going to serve coding. In coding, first of all, I am creating one of the head tag. I am creating one of the title bar. This is for our page title. When we run this, it's going to display like this. First of all, I am creating my title page. Title name is exercise 1, and next I'm going to for displaying the total text for displaying this details of this section 2, I'm give the nav link. First of all, in the body tag I'm giving the Karina, the header page of that heading page. For that I'm giving the color green. For that I'm using the font tag, and to place in the center I'm giving this center tag, and for headings, subheadings, I'm giving this order list. For getting in the like this, for getting like this, I'm giving here in order list. In order list, I'm giving about and subheading 1, that is, and subheading 2 is courses, and subheading 3 is form. First of all, I'm for getting this first capital letter, I'm giving this class now. In this, when we apply this lifestyle type, the topic, the uppercase letter will be come. And then in submitting 1, that is about this, I'm giving some of the text as in question they said, section 1 the text and the hyperlink should be given. For that, now I'm giving this text and giving the uh, internal link. For this, I'm creating one of the HTML file. For that I'm creating this HTML file. In this also same like that, I'm giving this title bar, and for getting the style I'm giving this color red, and then for getting the page font I'm giving this heading Karnya. And then in that I have to get our mission, so that I'm about the Karuna. In that I give this text. When we run this, it is going to be shown like this. Yeah. When we click this, directly it is going to the courses. See, here the total display has been given. In that only I am giving the internal link. When we click the image, it is going to show the total of that, and email I am giving the email link. See, so in the email, when we click our page, that it goes to our page. For that I created the internal link, and then when we click this, it is going to the I created the inter HTML file, so that directly the link can be gone to other side. And when we click this, I gave the email link, so that it is going to send our feedback through our email. can send this email um, through email or anything. You can send it. And next, this is the email phone link. When you click this, it is going to do any customer details. It can be asked. And then in section 2, this is um, I gave the text and the definition, the list, as they said in question. And section 2, the text and the definition list and order list and unordered list. Same like that I have given in this definition list, um, the text and the order list and unordered list. In this I gave the definition list of this is the definition heading, and then for that I am giving the definition for that data. Like that I gave for PHP and JavaScript, and then another one I give the data details for the first time. Like that order, this is order unordered list. In that I give the order list, first internal, second internal. In that I give the list. For that we are using the li command, li tag. When we run this, it is going to show the section 2. For that I give the link so that directly go to here. And then now we are going to see our form. Form, they said that section 3 should have the text and given format should display in the format of rows and columns. It is going to display in the table tag. We are going to use that table tag. In section 3, I gave the heading as form, and for that I gave the text, and the table can be displayed in the border so that it can be displayed like this. The border like this it will come. For that I gave the border one, and align should be in the center the application form. I gave the heading um, like this application form, and now I have to do in rows and columns. You have to place our name and date of birth and address, phone number. For that can be used the TD tag. In that I'm inputting the text. I'm not giving directly data. We can give our data. For that I'm using this input type command. Um, for displaying in the box, it can be we are using that placeholder. It can be displayed our um, name. Like this, it can be displayed name inside that. And next, for data birth also same like that I have given. And row span, and this the row span that can be combined the two rows like this. It can be combined the two rows. It can be combined two rows. And for address, it can be used the column span. You can combine the both of that. I gave here car image. See, um, I combined these two rows and gave here the our college image. And next, in column span, I gave the same like that text for that. And phone number, I gave input the text, and two rows has been combined and columns also combined. For that, in that I gave the iframe. Directly we can see our site through our iframe command. When we give iframe command, like this, the source of that source, and inside the taglines of iframe we can do this our link of that college, and we can see our total site. And for the gender I gave here, I'm inputted for gender I use the radio buttons for selecting only one. um, for multiple selections you can use another button, and for a single selection I have to use the radio button. And at last I have inputted the submit button for submitting the data. CSV like this. You can input our data here, and here data, but directly I give the data tag so that it can be displayed directly. You can select anything, and here you can give our address, anything, and here you can give our phone number, and is iframe. You can see our site total here, and I gave the gender for edit button. I can select one of that, and at last it